Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can start a workout exercise on the Apple Watch 7. So first let's go back to your Apple Watch face by pressing on the crown button on the side. Once you're on the Apple Watch, press on the crown button to go to the app screen. In the app screen you want to move around or swipe up or down and tap on the exercise or the workout app. So it's the green icon right here with a person doing exercise, so tap on that. In here is the workout at the top, and then down here is a list of all the different exercise that you could choose. So here you got the outdoor walk, which is the first item. Now in the list here it might changes depending on what exercise you do the most, and the exercise that you do the most will automatically appears at the top. So I've got outdoor walk, pool swim, rower, elliptical, indoor walk, and indoor run, outdoor cycle, open water swim, other, tai chi, outdoor run, indoor cycle, stepper, high intensity interval training, hiking, yoga, functional strength training, dance, cool down, core exercise, Pilates, and then you can also tap on the add workout button to add even more exercises. So you got other, badminton, bar, basketball, cross training, kickboxing, mixed cardio, soccer, social dance, surfing, table tennis, traditional strength training, alpine skiing, archery, athletics, Aussie rules, and much more. So you can use the crown button, so you can turn on the crown button to go down, and you can see there's just way too many to list, but yeah, you can go down the list here and find the exercise that you want to use, and you can just add them to your watch. Now I'm just going to cancel that and then go back up, and I'm going to choose the most basic exercise is outdoor walk, and tap on that, and it's ready, and then it count down from 3 to 1, and off you go. You're now ready to begin an exercise. So during the exercise it will do a number of things. It will measure how much calories you have burned, how far you have walked, so it will show you the distance. And if you swipe across when you finish the exercise, you can swipe across to the right, and in here you can either pause on, and if you want to resume you can swipe across and tap on the resume button, or you can end the exercise. You can also tap on the lock button to lock, so that if you touch on the screen nothing happens. You can unlock it by simply scrolling on your crown button like this to unlock. Once it is unlocked, you can go back into your exercise screen. Okay, so we're going to go back into the exercise screen right here.
Workout paused.
And it's a workout pause. We can resume or simply end the exercise. So while you are exercising, you can see if you swipe across, you can also play an audio as well. And that's it. Now if I tap on the end exercise, it should give you a summaries of how much calories you have burnt and how far you have walked. Also, that information is also added to your activity right here. So just trying to go down here. So I'm just going to go back here. So it should be added to your tracking activity, and in here you can swipe across here. So depending on what kind of goal that you have set, it will shows up in your activity app, such as how much calorie you have burnt for the day, and how much exercise time that you have managed to do during the day. And the blue circle here is how many standings you have done for the day. So all of this can be changed in the settings. And that's it. So that's how you can basically start a workout exercise on your Apple Watch 7. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.